Are you planning to purchase a house and lot in Lumina?
Or, are you gonna be the next Kabarangay?
Today, we will give you an idea on our move-in process.
And the benefits of living inside barangay.
Come! Join us! Tara!
The first step on our move-in process is first, your account must be endorsed to us by your account officer. You must wait for 30 to 45 days before getting a call and be scheduled for your move-in briefing seminar. On your move-in briefing seminar, you will be assisted on the application of utilities, warranties of the unit, and construction will be discussed as well. After your move-in briefing seminar, you will be assisted by the engineering department on the actual inspection of your unit. After your unit inspection, it's time to accept your property. You're officially Kabarangay.
Tara na! So ngayon, nandito po tayo sa aming guardhouse. At nandito po ang makikita niyo po ang aming mga guard. Ewan nito, kaway. Sila po ang nagbabantay dito sa ating subdivision 24/7. Makakasa po kayo sa kanilang servisyo.
At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating playground na pwedeng puntahan anytime ng ating anak, mga pamangkin, friends, family, na ngayon na nandito na tayo sa Lumina. At lastly, hindi mawawala ang ating
Basketball court. Dito sa basketball court ng Lumina, dito namin ginaganap ang aming mga activities. Tulad ng basketball league, para sa mga bata yung costume party nila at sa aming year-end party nang sa ganon magkaroon ng magandang ugnayan ng mga homeowners dito sa aming subdivision.
pwede din ganapin ng iba't ibang event gaya ng seasonal parties, Christmas parties, Halloween parties at iba pa.
Welcome dito sa aming basketball court.
At muli, ako si Daisy.
At ako naman si Jerome. Tara na, dito sa Lumina. See you mga kabarangay!